Okay, hi students, how are you? All of you fine now? All of you have breakfast? Okay, today let us learn today about continents. Okay, continents. What is meaning of continents? In this world, continents is a very important. Okay, but what is meaning of continents? CONTINENTS. Continents means ಖಂಡಗಳು. Topic is CONTINENTS. Continents. Continents means what is meaning of continents? ಖಂಡಗಳು. ನಮ್ಮ ಭಾರತದಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಪಂಚದಲ್ಲಿ 7 ಖಂಡಗಳಿದಾವೆ. ಎಷ್ಟು? 7 ಖಂಡಗಳು. ಓಕೆ, ಟೋಟಲ್ 7 continents are there in this world. Okay, next then so many special having the all continents. Yes or no? But now see you now. I say you about now 7 continents. How many continents are there? Total 7 continents are there in this world. First one is Asia continent. First one is Asia continent. Asia continent. Okay. Second one is Europe continent. EUROPE. CONTINENT. Europe continent. Okay. Next, third one is Africa continent. AFRICACONTINENT. Africa continent. This is third one. Next, fourth one is North America continent. Fifth one is South America continent. Okay. Next one is Australia continent. Last one is Antarctic continent. Okay. See, listen clearly. Most important these all points. Okay, keep in your mind, don't forget these all. Okay, whenever I asking you, that time only you self asking. Okay, this is very important. 7 continents are there in this world. First one Asia continent, Europe continent, Africa continent, North and South America continent, Australia continent and Antarctic continent. Okay, total 7 continents are there. Okay, but now I say you about, but continent have a special. Okay, what is the special having this all? Okay, Asia is the biggest continent. In this world. ಏಷ್ಯಾ ಒಂದು ಖಂಡ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಅದು ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಪಂಚದಲ್ಲಿ ಅತ್ಯಂತ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಖಂಡವಾಗಿದೆ. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್ ನೋ? ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಕೀಪ್ ಇನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಮೈಂಡ್, ಡೋಂಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಗೆಟ್ ದಿಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಸ್ಟ್ರೇಲಿಯಾ ಇಸ್ ದ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಕಾಂಟಿನೆಂಟ್. ಏಷ್ಯಾ ಕಾಂಟಿನೆಂಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಬಿಗ್ಗೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಂಟಿನೆಂಟ್. ಆಸ್ಟ್ರೇಲಿಯಾ ಕಾಂಟಿನೆಂಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ small continent. Okay, understood now? Say, listen clearly. Now, next one is Antarctic continent also have a special. Antarctic is called a white continent. Antarctic is a called white continent. Why is calling white continent? so many looking and they are also looking white only. That's why calling white continent. Okay, next say these are main important. This is 7 continents are there. Okay, first one Asia, Europe, Africa, North and South, and Australia and Antarctic continents. Okay, now Asia is the biggest continent. Okay, Asia is the biggest continent. Australia is the small continent in this world. Okay, next one is main important. Okay, I will asking one questions now. I asking one questions now, all of you. India is located which continent? India is located which continent? You know means say for me. I want answer now. Okay, India is located which continent? Any more? Anybody? Nobody. Okay, see, listen clearly. India is located Asia continent. This is main very important question. Okay, India is located Asia continent. Okay, say India is located Asia continent. Asia continent. Okay, this is main important. Next one is Asia is the biggest continent. Asia ಖಂಡ ಅತ್ಯಂತ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಖಂಡ. ಆಸ್ಟ್ರೇಲಿಯಾ ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಖಂಡ. ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಏಷ್ಯಾ ಖಂಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಇಂಡಿಯಾ is located Asia continent. Okay, understood now all of you? Okay, next one is I say about now neighboring countries of India. What is meaning of neighboring? What is meaning of neighboring? Neighboring means ನೆರೆಹೊರೆಯ. ನಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ಭಾರತ ದೇಶ ಗಡಿ ಭಾಗವನ್ನು ಯಾವ ಒಂದು ದೇಶಗಳ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಹಂಚಿಕೊಂಡಿದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಮೇನ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. that is main important. Neighboring countries of India. Okay, what is meaning of neighboring? NEIGHBORING. Neighboring means ನೆರೆಹೊರೆಯ. Okay, say NEIGHBORING. Neighboring countries of India. Okay, first one is neighboring countries of India. Okay, you know means say for me or not. Pakistan is a neighboring countries of India. First one is Pakistan. ಪಾಕಿಸ್ತಾನ ನಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ದೇಶ ಪಾಕಿಸ್ತಾನ ಎಂಬ ದೇಶ ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶದ ಒಂದು ಗಡಿ ಭಾಗವನ್ನು ಹಂಚಿಕೊಂಡಿದೆ, ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ನೈಬರಿಂಗ್ ದೇಶ, ನೈಬರಿಂಗ್ ಕಂಟ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ. ದಿಸ್ so many countries coming in this topic. Okay, Pakistan. First one is Pakistan. Second one is Afghanistan. Second one is Afghanistan. Afghanistan also neighboring of India. Okay. Afghanistan. Third one is, first one is Pakistan, second one is Afghanistan, third one is China. Third one is China. Fourth one is Nepal. Fifth one is Bhutan. Sixth one is Myanmar. Seventh one is Bangladesh. Eighth one is Sri Lanka. Ninth one is Maldives. See, listen clearly, students. See, neighboring countries of India. Okay, total 9 countries, neighboring countries of India. Okay, total 9 countries neighboring of India. Understood now? First one is Pakistan. 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 Second one is Afghanistan. 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 Third one is China. Fourth one is Nepal. Fifth one is Bhutan. Sixth one is Myanmar. Seventh one is Bangladesh. Eighth one is Sri Lanka. Ninth one Maldives. Total 9 countries neighboring of India. Understood now? Main important, huh? Neighboring countries of India, total 9 countries are there. Okay, understood now, all of you? Say, understood now, all of you? These are very important. Okay, next one. Understood now, all of you? Okay. Total 9 countries neighboring of India. First one Pakistan, second one Afghanistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Myanmar, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka and Maldives. Okay, understood now? Total 9 countries neighboring of India. Next one is, last time I told you 7 continents are there in this world. First one is Asia. Second one is Europe continent. Third one is Africa continent. Fourth one North America. Fifth one South America continent, Australia continent and Antarctic continent. These are 7 continents in this world. But this is neighboring countries of India. Neighboring countries of India, total 9 countries are there neighboring of India. Okay, first one Pakistan, second one Afghanistan, third one China, Nepal, Whatever can't understood means say for me. I say you one more time. Students, what I saying, listening or no? Listening no? Students, see students, all of you listening or no my voice? Listening no? Okay, see, listen clearly now. Last time I also told you, I say about continents. Continents, what is meaning of continents? Continents means Khandagalu. Total 7 continents are there in this world. First one is Asia continent, second one is Europe continent, third one is Africa continent, fourth one is North America, and fifth one is South America continent, sixth one Australia continent, and seventh one Antarctic continent. Okay. Next, these all have a special. Asia is the biggest continent. Asia is the biggest continent, and Australia is the small continent. Okay. Antarctic is the called white continent. Already I told you. Okay. India is located which continent? Who is now? Please say for me. India is located which continent? Which continent? Asia continent. India is located Asia continent. Okay, this is very important questions. Don't forget this all. Okay, total 7 continents are there in this world. Okay, next, New Delhi is the capital of India. Okay, capital of India. Which is the name of the capital of India? Which is the name of the capital of India? New Delhi. New Delhi is the capital of India. Okay, most important this is very important. Keep in your mind. Don't forget this. Can't understood means say for me. I say one more time. Okay. Now see now. Neighboring countries of India. Neighboring countries of India. What is meaning of neighboring? Neighboring means NEIGHBORING. Neighboring means ನೆರೆಹೊರೆಯ. ನಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ಭಾರತ ದೇಶ ಯಾವ ದೇಶಗಳ ಒಂದು ಗಡಿಭಾಗವನ್ನು ಹಂಚಿಕೊಂಡಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ನೈಬರಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ನೈಬರಿಂಗ್ ಕಂಟ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಟೋಟಲ್ 9 ಕಂಟ್ರೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಪಾಕಿಸ್ತಾನ್. ಪಾಕಿಸ್ತಾನ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ನೈಬರಿಂಗ್ ಕಂಟ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ಅಫ್ಘಾನಿಸ್ತಾನ್. ಥರ್ಡ್ ಒನ್ ಚೀನಾ. ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಒನ್ ನೇಪಾಲ್. ಫಿಫ್ತ್ ಒನ್ ಭೂತಾನ್. ಸಿಕ್ಸ್ತ್ ಒನ್ ಮಯನ್ಮಾರ್. ಸೆವೆಂತ್ ಒನ್ ಬಾಂಗ್ಲಾದೇಶ್. ಏಟ್ ಒನ್ ಶ್ರೀಲಂಕಾ. 9 ಮಾಲ್ಡೀವ್ಸ್. Okay, understood now all of you? Total 9 countries neighboring of India. First one is, which is name of the neighboring of India? Pakistan. Second one Afghanistan. Third one China. Fourth one Nepal. Fifth one
Bhutan.
Sixth one. Seventh one Okay, understood now all of you? Total 9 countries, 9